Uh, Good evening, everyone, and welcome to 82nd episode of Ask Me How. So, this is a stage, a platform where you can ask your queries, your doubts, your questions regarding Vedic mathematics. So, yes, Rupa, Sanjay Joshi, what are your queries? What are your questions regarding Vedic mathematics? Okay, now, yes, see, uh, I would like if you can switch on your videos, then it would be better. No issues. I'll try to solve your queries and the doubts you have. The very first question. Yes, Rachna, do you have any questions?
मैं वही हूँ.
Now, the first, what is Vedic mathematics? Why is it important? Will it bring a change in a child, and how it is different from mathematics, the conventional mathematics we are already doing in our schools since long. Now, Vedic maths is not a different subject. Very important to understand is it is a technique, it is a way to solve our mathematics in an easy manner, easy way. Till now, maths is always taken as a fear, as a havoc, as a stress. And this has been induced in our minds of a child. Just remember your days. At your time period, when you were in class 1, 2, or 3rd, and we started with tables or multiplication or simple additions, we were going through that phase of fear. And always we had this question, when will this subject be omitted or removed from our curriculums, or when will this class get over? Because as a child, we don't understand how to cram it. History, we were cramming geography, civics, anything, English, Hindi, or any language. But the moment tables used to come and teacher was asking a new table every day, and this becomes very difficult for a child to cram all these things. So Vedic maths is the simplification of doing that calculations. Mathematics will not change. Whatever is in your syllabus, whatever you have to do in maths, that is always already there. But Vedic maths makes it more simple, easy, faster. And if you have a one word to say all these things, that is Vedic mathematics makes mathematics magical. So first point was what is Vedic maths? I think now it is clear. Yes, Rupa, Sanjay. Now, why it is called as Vedic only? Why not something else? Why Vedic mathematics? Because of its origin. This particular subject, this is believed to be originated or believed to be taken from our Vedas. Now, the moment we hear a word Vedas, we start thinking, oh, it might be a series where we have to learn Sanskrit and so on. No, not at all. So this particular subject is taken from Athar Veda, the Veda which deals with mechanics, mathematics, sculpture, medicine, and all the sciences which we are today aware of. So that is how this got the name Vedic mathematics. Also, Vedic means ocean of knowledge, deep knowledge. And the word Vedic maths, how it came into our lives, because none of us are directly doing this topic or this, what you call, we are not into touch with Vedas. So the person who was responsible or who is known as father of Vedic mathematics is none other but Jagat Guru Swami Bharati Krishna Tiraj. Now, he was a person who gave this subject to us and which changed our lives. So, father of Vedic mathematics, we call it as Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tiraji. And he was a great scholar. He was a great saint. And Shankaracharya at Govardhan Peeth, which is in Orissa, right? Where he wrote this, he extracted the knowledge from Vedas and wrote this subject called Vedic mathematics. I hope now this term is clear. Now, yes, as far as school mathematics or the conventional maths and Vedic maths, how they are different. See, as I told you earlier also, it is not different in curriculum. The difference is in the usage, how we apply application. When we are performing mathematics or doing mathematics in our school institution or anywhere according to the syllabus, we are bound to follow some instructions. We are bound to undergo a specific technique. And this is the biggest reason why students start getting a fear of maths. Because maths is taught like cramming, maths is taught like enforcing something. You have to follow the same thing. That is the reason I generally give an example of a survey. Where if you take 40 students in one school, one class, and 30 students are going for a tuition of the same subject called mathematics. And even after studying for twice the same topics, they fail. 10 students out of every 30 students are failing. If you take the average, that comes out to be 25% of the students of every class are failing every time. What is the reason? Is math so difficult that we should remove it from our curriculums? Or the teacher is not teaching and we should change the teachers? In fact, both the reasons are not correct. Maths is a part and parcel of our life. We cannot change it. And similarly, teachers, I won't say they are not doing efforts, they are not taking efforts, but only the problem is they are enforcing. Means they are giving you a track. Yes, you have to follow the same path. And that is what makes mathematics critical or difficult. Coming to Vedic maths, now the same equation, same arithmetic or algebra, that can be solved here with number of ways, number of techniques. So what happens? You get freedom to think. Always talk about critical thinking, thinking in a different manner. But when you enforce something, are you giving that opportunity? But Vedic maths, yes, you get that opportunity to think differently. So, three things to be remembered. Vedic mathematics is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. First thing. Second, it enables you with the feeling of, yes, I can, and remove maths anxiety. Oh, I can. You can very well understand. If you know some topic or if you know something, you are confident about it. But if you are not confident or you are not having a thorough knowledge of any particular topic, you are not up to mark in that and not confident to share with others. That is what with the students. So the moment they are doing good in mathematics or doing good in anything, yes, I can. That feeling is required. Third important thing, ability to think. Now, how does that comes into picture? See, when you have to solve a particular problem and you are made bounded that yes, you have to follow these steps only. So what exactly you're doing? You're cramming the steps. You're trying to do in a particular way. So where is the knowledge coming out of it? Where is the freedom of expression? Where is the freedom of thoughts? And when we go for Vedic maths, this becomes very simple. You have that freedom or the ability to think in a different manner. Got it? So this is how it is different from our conventional mathematics or the maths we are using in our schools. Yes. Any other question? Yes, Rupa? You can write down otherwise. Sanjay? Yes, Rachna? Any query? Any questions you have? Okay. I would expect that you should ask this question. Writing, chatting is perfect, but now, if you ask for the example, Okay, I'll just give you an example in multiplication, how one question can be resolved or solved in number of ways. Let's I'm shifting to the whiteboard. Yes. So let's say I'll just show you how everything becomes different very fast. Now, so we'll start with multiplication today. Let's say a very simple question, 99 into 99. Let's say this is one question. One more question, let's say 99 into 91. I'll just go for two-digit numbers today. Now, if this is a particular question, you have only one way to solve in your mathematics. Let me show you. We go for 99, 99, and we start multiplying. 9, 9, 81. I'll put 1, I'll put 8. 9 into 9 again, 81, and 8. Correct? Yes. Rupa, is it correct? Or any question? Any doubt? Second step, we take nothing on the unit place, so put 0. And then again the same thing. 9 nines are 81. 8 goes further. And if you add, it becomes 1, 0, 8, and 9. 9, 8, 0, 1. Now see, this is correct. And every student or most of the students can do this. But the question arises, if I ask you verbally, if I ask you to solve this question mentally, do you have any way? Let me show you. Now, 99 in into 99. Now, this we have different ways. The first method or the first technique, if I say, is Nikhilum. Nikhilum procedure, we compare the numbers with nearest base, and the base is generally in the form of 10, 100,000. You can say 10 power of 10. Now, how do we compare 99, 99? We write down one below the other. And in front of this, we always write number minus base. Base, as I told you, is 10 raised to power uh, now here the nearest base is 100. So if you subtract 99 minus 100, it is minus 1. Minus 1. And what this procedure says, the left right hand side numbers you multiply. Now 1 into 1 is 1. But since we had a base 100, 2 zeros, so we'll write this number in 2 digits. Comes 0, 1. And here, just add either 99 plus minus 1 or this one, both remain same, and that is 980. See, the calculation part has gone. Nothing is left. 99. Now this can be done mentally. One way. Second, there is also another specific multiplication which we call as Anurupena multiplication with multiples of 9. Very easy. 99, 99. Now what if you have one number as 99, 9, 99, 999, or 9999? Means one number should be series of 9. Now how does the calculation becomes? Let's say this is something different, or 1 is 99. So what you have to do, just subtract 1. This becomes 98. Whatever is this answer, subtract from this. So what is 99 minus 1? You got the answer. Now this, without doing big calc, and it's not only 2 digits. This is 9876 to 9999. Subtract 1. So answer becomes 9875. And the second part of the answer, 9875 minus this. So 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. And 9 minus 5, 4. So this is your answer. Third, now let's say this was not 99 and it could have been anything. So there is always a general method called Urdhva Trivyan Sutra, or we can call it as crisscross technique. See, again, 99, 99, 99, 99. I'll give you one example, other example also. Or let me change here only. Let's say if it is 98 now. First thing, there are 3 steps have to be taken. First is left, left multiplication. So what is left, left? 9 and 9. 9 into 9 is 81. Second, cross multiplication. So what is 9 into 9? 81 plus 9 into 8. So first was 9 into 9. Second is 81 plus 72. So what is the total? 1, 5. And the third is right multiplication. So that is again 9 into 8 is 2. Now we just have to balance. If you see, I cannot, now this is a unit place. Only 2 would be remaining. 7 goes here, it becomes 160. So only 0 would be considered and 16 would be sent further. So that makes 9. See how simple it is. So the same question you are solving by 3 different ways. First was Nikhil, which could be done mentally. Second was a specific condition where one number is series of 9. In clear. One more way of, with 11 also we can work out. It's another number. Let's say it is 94 into 99. One is very simple. You got it. Minus 1, 93. And then 0, 6. This is 1. See how simply you solved it. Mentally you can do it. Now, I'll show you with another concept of multiplication with 11. Now, 94, can I write down it as 9 into 11? Now, why 11? Because 11, with 11, you can multiply 40 digits also together. First of all, we'll multiply this too. Now, people say this is difficult. No, it is also not. 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36. This goes here, 846 is your answer. All tables within 5 minutes. And now with 11, again, balancing 8. I'm giving you 12, 10, 6. So what is this? 9, 3, 0, 6. You can check with your calculators. And we did it earlier also. Got it? So see, this is why I say ability to think. The same question we have done with 4 different ways. One multiplication. Now I'll take one more question on this. One question was 98 into 92. Now, first is the same 98, 92. That means you are here 2 less, here you are 8 less, it becomes 16. And if you go this way, so 9016 is the answer. Simple. So first, very simple. Second, now here it is not 99, remember. So second, the general technique which I showed you, crisscross. 98, 92. Again, 9 nines are 81, 9 twos are 18, and 72. So what is that? 72 plus 18, 90, and 16. The third one. So balancing, only 6 remains here. 1 goes here. This goes here. So 9016. See the same answer. Another technique here. 98, 92. Now this is a specific case. Just observe. Here these numbers are same. And these two are adding to make 10. So whenever you come across such examples, what you have to do, take one number and multiply the next number to this. The next number to 9 is 10. So what is 9 into 10? 90. Multiply these two. Got the answer. One more example to this. 46, 44. These are same. So 4 into 5, 20. And 6 into 4, 24. Finish. How easy it is. Or since it is 44, you could have done 46 into 4 into 11. So 46 into 4 is 16, 24. I'm doing direct multiplication. So what is this? 184 into 11. What that gives? 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. And 4. So if you balance this goes here, it becomes 10. Further goes, so 2024. I've just taken the example of multiplication. But this is how things can be done. This is how you can solve every. Okay. Yes. Rupa, so any other question you have in particular? Hearing, see, yes. What is scale? When two same numbers are multiplied together. You are doing multiplication. The first example which we took 99 into 99, that is basically square of 99 only. So squaring is nothing but when you multiply two similar numbers. Got it? So that is also done easily through this. We have certain more techniques. That is okay. Not to cram. Whatever way suits you, whatever you find it easy. Yes. Anything else, Sanjay? Okay. You're not getting how I was doing multiplication of single digit number. Correct. See, just this is about the tables. Let's say we were multiplying 98 into 7. Now, how do we do? 7 8s are 56. So we write 6 here, 5 here, carry over. This is where students make a silly mistakes. Multiple carryovers. 9 into 7, 63 plus 5. This is correct. I agree to that. But this is where they make silly mistakes. Now just observe this. 98 into 7. If I multiply these separately, 9 into 7, 63. And now this is one part because you're multiplying. I'm putting a line in between that is called as balancing line. What is 8 into 7? 56. Now, the principle of balancing lines or place value, we can have only one digit at one position. So that means this, if this is a unit place, you cannot have two digits. Extra needs to be shifted. 6, 8, 6. So this is how you don't need to cram any table. Somebody asks you a table of 97, easily. You can immediately recall 9 8s are 63. Sorry, 9 7s are 63 and 8 7s are 56. So 5 goes there, 6, 8, 6, finish. Got it? This is how you have to work. Yes, any other questions? I think multiplication, see, this is entire multiplication we have covered with one example today. Yes, practice is required, but this is the total what is called as Vedic multiplication. All the methods can be used. Okay. Any other doubts? I think yes, Sanjay. Any other question you have? Similarly, yes, similarly cubes. When you know multiplication, scaling is multiplying the same number. And in cubing, three numbers. Same, right? So once you are clear with multiplication, scaling and cubing will become easy. And with Vedic maths, you can see it's not only your multiplication addition, it is entire arithmetics, algebra, calculus, conics, trigonometry, geometry, and organic chemistry, and see wherever you have mathematical calculation, even in physics, wherever you come across numericals, wherever you come across calculations, you can use the techniques of Vedic maths. It's not that we have a formula of Vedic maths separate for that, but we can implement or we can calculate faster, right? So any other questions? Thank you very much. And right, so next we'll have on Monday. Right. Thank you. Yes, if you have any questions, you can reach out. My number is there 701 576-1074. Yes. Correct. Sure. Thank you. And have